Golf Grip Tutorial Simple Steps to a Better Grip by me, Brennen. A correct golf grip will help you to achieve more distance, greater feel, better ball striking, and more consistency with every club in your bag. It's time to pick up your club and start perfecting your grip. Remember, your grip is your only link to the Simple Steps to a Better Grip by me, Brennen. A correct
Pick up the club
golf
with
grip
your
will
weaker
a correct
hand,
golf grip will
left
help you to
hand
achieve
for a
more distance, greater feel,
right-handed
better
golfer,
ball striking,
and
and
vice
more
versa.
consistency with every club
Place
in
the
your bag.
club in the
It's time to
fingers
pick up your
of the
club
left
and start
hand.
perfecting your
The
grip.
grip
Remember,
of the club
grip
should
is
run
your
from
only
the
link
middle
to
of the index finger
to the base of the little finger.
Turn
Pick
your
up the
hand
club
over
with
so that
your
you can
weaker
see
hand,
two
left
knuckles
hand
of
for
your
right
left-handed
handed
and then
golfer,
point the
and
V
vice versa,
shape. Place the club
so
in the
that your index
fingers
finger
of the
and
left hand.
thumb
The
have
grip
created
of the club should
towards
run
your
from
right
the
shoulder,
middle of the index finger
then
to the
allowing
base
for
of the
about
little
a
finger.
half an inch
Turn your
of the
hand
club to
over
poke
so that
out
you
of
can
the
see
top
two
of
knuckles
your grip.
of your left
Compared
hand
to gripping
and then
it right
point the
at
V
the end
shape.
It will improve your control of the
So
club
that your
and ball
index
striking
finger
ability
and
without any loss of
thumb
power.
have created towards your right
Step two,
shoulder.
turn your hand over so that
Then
you can
allowing for
see
about
two
a half
knuckles on
an
your
inch of the
two
club
knuckles
to
of your
poke
left
out
hand
of the
and
top
then
of
point
the
your
V
grip.
shape.
Compared to
So that
gripping
your
it
index
right at
finger
the end
and
thumb have created
it will improve your
towards your
control of
right
the
shoulder
club
as
and
you
ball
look
striking
down at
ability
your left
without any
hand.
loss
There
of
should be
power.
2.5
Knuckles
Step
visible.
two, turn your
This is
hand
classed
over
as
so
the
that you
neutral
can
position.
see the
Two
V
knuckles
made by
on
your
your
left thumb
two
and
knuckles of your left
forefinger
hand and then
should
point
point
the
to
V
your
shape
right shoulder
so that your index
pointer,
finger
if you see
and
more
thumb have
than
created
2.5
towards your right
knuckles,
shoulder.
your
As you look
left
down
hand
at
is
your
said
left
to
hand,
be
there
in a
should
too
be
strong of a position.
2.5
If you see
knuckles
less than
visible.
2.5
This is
knuckles,
classed as the
your left
neutral
hand is
position.
too weak.
The V
Is in a
made
too
by
weak
your
position.
left thumb and forefinger
Step
should
three,
point
now
to your
take
right
your right
shoulder hand and
pointer.
grip the
If you
club
see more
with
than
your right thumb
2.5
sitting on
knuckles,
top of
your
your
left hand
thumb.
is said to be in a
Make
too
sure
strong of a
your right
position.
thumb sits
If you
on
see
the
less than
left side of the
2.5
club
knuckles,
facing to
your left hand
downwards.
is too weak.
The V
Is in a too
made
weak
between your
position.
right thumb and forefinger should
Step
point
three,
to your
now
chin.
take
Your right hand
get a
and grip the
Sharpie. If
club
you're not
with your right
confident about
thumb
how your
sitting on
club is
top of your left
sitting
thumb.
in your left hand, you
Make
can
sure
take your
your right
Sharpie and draw
thumb
2
sits
lines
on the
on
left
your
side of the
glove at
club
the correct
facing
angle to help.
downwards. The
It'll remind
V
you where the
made
club
between
should
your
be in
right
your
thumb
grip
and
and
forefinger
you
should
give
point to
and
your
give you
chin.
confidence. Don't worry, you're not breaking any
Now get a
clubhouse rules or
Sharpie if you're
professional
not
rules with
confident about
doing
how
this.
your club is
Now, the
sitting
free
in your
main
left
golf
hand.
grips
You
are
can take your
overlap grip,
Sharpie and draw
interlock
two
grip,
lines
and base
on your
grip.
glove at the
Step
correct
4, the
angle to help.
fingers in right
It'll
hand
remind you where the club should
grip
be in your grip
the club
and you
and
give
link with
and
the
give you
left
confidence.
hand
Don't
in
worry,
3
you're
different
not
ways
breaking
with
any clubhouse rules
only
or
a slight
professional rules
adjustment.
with doing this.
First grip,
Baseball grip.
now the free
aka
main
the
golf
neutral grip.
grips are
Beginner's
overlap
grip,
grip,
simple grip,
interlock grip,
hands
and
bump
base grip.
against each other with left
Step 4, the
hand
fingers in
lower and
right
right hand
hand
wrapped around the
grip
club,
the
touching the
club
golf
and
grip.
link with
As
the
the
left
name
hand in
suggests,
3
all
different
10
ways with
fingers touch
only
the
a
golf
slight
grip.
adjustment.
Most basic club
First grip in the
baseball
golf
grip,
game,
aka the neutral grip.
greater
Beginner's grip,
leverage.
simple grip,
Now,
second
hands
grip,
bump
overlapping
against
grip.
each other with
Strong and
left
flexible
hand
players increase
lower and
stability
right
and
hand wrapped
comfort.
around the
Slight
club,
adjustment from
touching
baseball
the
grip,
golf grip.
pinky finger rests
As the
between
name
index
suggests,
finger
all
and
10
pointer
fingers
finger
touch the
of
golf
left
grip.
hand.
Most
In the
basic
overlapping
club
grip, the
grip
little
in the
finger of
golf
your
game,
right hand is over the
greater
forefinger of your
leverage.
left hand.
Now,
Second grip,
and it is
overlapping
the
grip.
standard
Strong and
grip for
flexible
all
players
shots.
increase
And third
stability
grip,
and comfort.
interlocking grip.
Slight adjustment from
Grateful
baseball grip.
golfer's
Pinky
grip.
finger rests between
Unity
index finger
between
and
both hands.
pointer
This is
finger
the same
of left
as
hand.
the
In
overlapping
the overlapping grip,
except
the
that
little
the
finger
pinky
of your
finger
right
of your
hand
right
is
hand
over the
interlocks with the
forefinger
index
of your left
finger
hand.
of your left
And
hand.
it is the
Slight
standard
adjustment
grip for
from
all
the
shots.
overlapping grip.
And the
Grip
third grip,
used by Tiger Woods
interlocking
and
grip.
Jack Nicklaus.
Grateful golfer's grip.
The idea is to choose the grip that
Unity
works
between
best for
both
you.
hands. This is
And
the
this has
same
been
as
a
the
golfing grip
overlapping grip,
tutorial
except
by Brennen.
that the pinky finger of your right hand interlocks with the index finger of your left hand. Slight adjustment from the overlapping grip. Grip used by Tiger Woods and Jack Nicklaus. The idea is to choose the grip that works best for you. And this has been a golfing grip tutorial by Brennan. Thank you.